Biggest advancement in hair restoration really has been automated FUE or follicular unit extraction. And the reason for that is because as we've really advanced our technology in hair restoration, we've noticed that really follicular units are the way to give the most natural, long-lasting results. An automated follicular unit extraction process, the greatest advantage is that it decreases the donor area, or where we're taking the hair follicles from, decreases the pain, decreases the swelling, and decreases discomfort in the patient. So by having an automated follicular unit extraction device or process, what you're doing is you're doing a much less downtime procedure where it really goes from 7 to 10 days down to really a day to 2 days at most, where there's any sort of discomfort with the patient. There's little to no need for any pain control afterwards, as well as decreased swelling and improvement in the scalp in the back from the donor area. There's no scar formation in the back. It's virtually undetectable. And like I said, it just lets you get on back with your life as soon as possible. And that's the greatest benefit from having an automated mechanism. Automated FUE is quickly becoming the gold standard in hair loss and hair restoration. The biggest advantage over the SmartGraft system, it really comes down to basic science. And when we're looking at extracting the follicular unit, the biggest problem we had was that the second we take a follicle out, we have a couple minutes to hours before that follicle starts losing its viability. The more time it spends outside of the body, the more likely it is that it's not going to grow. You're going to have a lower yield. So what the SmartGraft system does that no other system on the market does is it completely fixes this problem. So we're able to keep the grafts refrigerated at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just the right amount of temperature where we can cool down the metabolism of the follicle enough where it extends the longevity of time that it can stay outside of the body. So what does that mean for our patients? That means that we can do larger procedures with a higher yield. So they get a better result with much more hair and in a larger case that can be done, which ordinarily wouldn't have been able to be done.